How to study effectively and excel in your academics. Get organized. The first thing you should focus on is keeping everything in place and organized. Always carry a homework organizer. If homework, projects, tests, and assignments are entered as soon as they are assigned, they will not be forgotten. Keeping everything organized will save you a lot of time. Concentrate in class. It is essential to focus and avoid distractions when the instructor is speaking. Concentrate on the speaker and take notes in your own words to practice active listening. This will ensure that you hear and comprehend what is taught in class. Keep away from distractions. There are distractions everywhere, including cell phones, social media, and pals. Recognize what distracts you in class and learn how to avoid these distractions. Avoid sitting next to friends if you're aware that they'll be a distraction. Additionally, turning off your cell phone will help ensure that you are paying attention to your teacher. Ensure notes are detailed. Taking thorough and precise notes in class will assist you in processing the material you're learning. These notes will also serve as study notes that can be read before an examination. If you missed a class and want to confirm your notes are complete, speak with classmates or the instructor. If you did not understand, ask questions. Raise your hand and ask questions if something is unclear. If you are uncomfortable asking in front of the class, write yourself a note to speak with the instructor after class. Create a study timetable/plan. When creating a study timetable, consult your planner and consider what must be completed. Consider the types of questions that will be on the exam and the topics that will be covered so that you can determine what to prioritize. Set clear objectives for each study session, such as the number of topics to be covered. Teach your learned content to your friends. Try to describe the learning content in your own terms, as if you were the instructor. This can be accomplished in a study group, with a study partner, or independently. Saying the content out loud will help you retain the information and indicate where you are confused and need further clarification. Use examples and establish links between topics as you discuss the material, just as a teacher does. Try breaking up your study time. Lack of breaks during long stretched study sessions will affect your recall of information. You must take regular breaks from your study if you want to learn new material effectively. Consider studying for 30-minute periods with a 5 to 10-minute break in between. Take a quiz. To learn the material more quickly and effectively, use flashcards, practice tests, and mock exams. Information is retained more effectively by taking a test than by just reviewing the material. Make some flashcards and test yourself. Additionally, you can make a practice test or quiz yourself or request one from your teacher. Be confident and take exams. All the best. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon below.